Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to turn off or shut down Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. So there are various ways to turn off or shut down your PC or laptop. The first way is to simply click on the start icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now click on the power button. Now you'll be able to find the options like sleep, hibernate, shut down and restart. Simply click on the option shut down and your PC or laptop will be shut down. Instead of doing all of this, you can also simply press Alt F4 on your keyboard. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to shut down your computer. You'll be able to see the question, what do you want the computer to do? Simply click on this field. Now click on the option shut down. Now after that, click on the OK option that you can see on the screen. After that, your PC or laptop will be shut down. There's also another way through which you can do that. For that, what you have to do is simply press Windows and X key on your keyboard. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find several options. At second last, you'll be able to find the option for shutdown or sign out. If you hover over it, you'll be able to find several options like sign out, sleep, hibernate, shut down, restart. Simply click on the option shut down and your PC or laptop will be shut down. You can shut down the PC or laptop physically too. For that, what you have to do is press and hold the power button. After that, the shutdown option will appear and you'll be able to shut down your PC or laptop. So that is how you turn off or shut down Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.